Good day, everyone. Today, I will present the topic How Data is Sent. This lesson will show us how data moves from one place to another using different communication channels. Understanding this process helps us appreciate how modern technology connects us. What is digital data? Digital data is made of binary bits, which are represented as zeros and ones. These bits are the smallest units of information that computers can understand. Even the most complex files are broken down to this binary form. Text messages, pictures, and videos, and even music all depend on binary codes. Our devices then process these bits to create something meaningful for us. Basically, everything we see and use on our devices starts from these simple binary languages. To send data, binary information must be converted into signals. This can be done using light in fiber optics, radio waves in wireless systems, or electrical signals in cables. Encoding techniques are used to make sure the zeros and ones are transmitted correctly. Without this process, this digital communication would not be possible. A digital communication system has five main parts: the source, transmitter, channel, receiver, and the destination. The source is where the data begins, with the phone or computer. The transmitter converts the data into signals for sending. The channel is the pathway where the signals travel, such as fiber optics cables or wireless airways. The receiver gets the signal and decodes them back into data. Finally, the destination is where the information is delivered, like a screen or speakers. Instead of sending everything at once, data is divided into smaller units called packets. Each packet contains both the data and instruction on how to reach its destination. These packets travel separately across the network through routers and switches. Once they arrive, they are assembled into the original message. In summary, digital data starts as zeros and ones, which are the foundation of all information. These bits are encoded into signals and transmitted through various channels like cables, fiber optics, or wireless waves. Packet switching makes the transmission faster and more reliable. The, sister, the system ensures that the data is delivered and assembled smoothly or properly. Without this process, we would not have the internet, messaging, or online services we use every day. It is the backbone of modern communication.